Step into the gratitude vortex. Take a gentle breath and let gratitude restore your spirit, soften your thoughts, and bring you back to calm, steady inner peace. Let's begin. I allow my spirit to rest and renew. I breathe in peace and exhale heaviness. I return to gratitude and feel my heart soften. I am safe to slow down and restore. I choose gentle thoughts that heal me. I release what drained me and welcome calm. I give myself permission to feel lighter. I am grateful for this moment of renewal. I let my mind become quiet and clear. I trust that I am healing in my own time. I return to my breath and come home to myself. I am allowed to begin again with kindness. I choose peace over pressure today. I am grateful for the strength that carried me here. I soften my body and relax my shoulders. I release the need to have it all figured out. I welcome ease into my thoughts. I honor my feelings without letting them control me. I choose compassion for myself right now. I am grateful for small comforts that steady me. I let go of what I cannot change. I rest my mind and refresh my energy. I choose to be gentle with my heart. I am supported even when I feel tired. I allow hope to return quietly. I am grateful for the lessons that helped me grow. I release old tension and invite new peace. I choose calm, steady confidence. I trust my inner wisdom to guide me. I welcome warmth and light into my spirit. I am grateful for every breath that resets me. I release inner criticism and choose kindness. I let my thoughts slow down and settle. I forgive myself and move forward with grace. I allow peace to be my new baseline. A quick check-in. Take one slow breath and repeat the affirmation that felt the most soothing to your heart. Which line helped you restore your spirit today? Share it in the comments. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I am grateful for the quiet moments that restore me. I choose to focus on what is good and real. I am resilient and I recover with care. I release overwhelm and return to simplicity. I welcome clarity after the storm. I am grateful for the support I can feel around me now. I choose patience with myself and my process. I am worthy of rest and renewal. I welcome calm into my home and my mind. I choose thoughts that feel soothing and true. I am grateful for the chance to reset today. I allow joy to return in gentle ways. I release worry and return to gratitude. I trust that better days are unfolding. I am grateful for my ability to adapt and grow. I honor my needs and listen closely. I choose to care for myself without guilt. I let my heart open to peace again. I release the past and rest in the present. I am grateful for the calm I am creating within. I welcome emotional balance and steady peace. I choose grounding thoughts that help me feel safe. I allow my spirit to feel whole and supported. I am grateful for my progress, even when it's quiet. I choose to be present, not perfect. I let my breath be my anchor. I release what no longer belongs in my life. I welcome fresh energy and gentle strength. I am grateful for the peace that is available to me. I choose to speak kindly to myself today. I trust myself to take the next right step. I allow softness to be a form of strength. I am restoring, renewing, and returning to calm. I carry gratitude with me, and my spirit feels restored. I end this practice feeling lighter and more at ease. Thank you for joining us here in the Gratitude Vortex. We hope these affirmations have inspired you to embrace gratitude, positivity, and abundance into your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting content. Your journey to happiness and prosperity starts with small moments of thankfulness. So, keep the momentum going. Let's continue to grow and thrive in gratitude. Until next time, stay positive, stay grateful, and step boldly into the vortex of abundance, one thought at a time.